photograph from Miss Burkhalter's 4th grade class. Hi, my name is Kylie. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. Attention, salute, pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, my name is Timothy. Please join me in the Oklahoma flag salute. Attention, salute, pledge.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
Hi, my name is Kesley Fisher. It's in the Patriotics. Hi, my name is Esther. Please be seated for the honor service. Ready to begin? Okay. Hi, my name is Sydney, and here's what we're having for lunch. Bosco sticks, marinara sauce, chicken parmesan, corn, garbanzo bean salad, cornbread muffin, and applesauce.
And let's give the football boys a big thank you for being here. I know you're in a away game tonight. Who are you playing? Shawnee? Okay. Play hard, guys. Tackle lead.
Okay, for our share portion, it's no secret to the teachers in the building that I love history science. And we wanted to show you, a few weeks ago the kids made a robot finger. And instead of her holding it up in front of you and hearing you not being able to see anything, we filmed a video. And this is Giselle explaining how her robot finger works.
Okay, you have to listen carefully.
Your finger is made up of bones and joints. The string represents the tendon. The tendon is connected to the bone on one end and the muscle to the other. When the muscle flexes, it pulls on the tendon, which causes the finger to move.
Okay, so everybody hold your arm up. When you do this, you're pulling that tendon. Okay, same thing here. When you do this, you're pulling tendons. When you pull the tendon, it's what makes your fingers close. Each one of the fourth grade students make a finger so that they understand how the tendons work in your body. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you, Giselle. Yeah, you can do it. Celebrations today. Remember, our Chili's Give Back event is all day Monday. It's not just Monday evening, But if you have grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, anybody else that live around you, and maybe you were going to be out and about, ask them to go eat at Chili's on Monday, and just mention that they're supporting Lincoln Elementary, and they will give us 10% of the proceeds. Remember, we are collecting box tops. They need to be turned in. Please don't wait until the 26th of October to turn them in. I mean, if you have some already collected, I will count them, and that just saves me time at the end. And Miss Grissom's class has earned a victory lap. And I have music today. So Miss Grissom's class will stand. And you're going to go out the back first. Okay, here we go. Let's clap for them. How many of you started with the paw? Okay, so if you have one something up, either a paw or a C, raise your hand. Okay, if you have the second item up, a CA or a paw and a C. If you have 3 items up, keep your hand up. Oh, how about 4 items up? Oh wow, we've got a bunch that you're gonna have a couple of victory laps here. Ooh, good. And 2 more over there. Good job. Okay. So next week I'll be expecting to get to run a couple more victory laps. All right, my other celebrations I have today. Miss Arabella in Miss Young's class and Noah both came and read me a book yesterday. Thank you for reading to me. Rylan, Juana, and Andrea in Miss Gazaway's class. All 3 have passed CBC words and on second rhyme. Corey and Alexandra, both in Miss Gazaway's class. Neither one are here. They have passed their first 50 sight words for list A. And Riley and 2R. Riley passed list B yesterday. Congratulations, Riley. How many of you are really, really close to finishing your library sheets? Good. Okay. Well, we had 4 more people yesterday that finished theirs. Addie Hinton, she just walked in. Addie, wave at everybody. She finished her library sheet. Sydney Lee, in that same class. Oh, she's in choir. And Nicole Luna. They all 3 in that class. And then in 4J, Alexa Mora. Congratulations to all of those people. Okay, are there any other celebrations or announcements? Yes. Why? Okay, I'm going to repeat that. This is McKinley. She's only been with us a couple of weeks. She has passed all of her kindergarten phonics except list A, and has passed some first grade skills. So McKinley, thank you for being ready for school. Wow, good job. Any others? Okay, well, it's a Friday. Make sure you make it a great one.